Changing your username on Spotify can be a straightforward process, but it's important to note that Spotify does not allow users to change their usernames directly. Instead, you can change your display name. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. You can use either the desktop version or the mobile app. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Home tab, then selecting Settings or Profile. Step 3. Edit Profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or Change Profile. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 4. Change display name. In the profile settings, find the field for your display name. Enter the new name you wish to use and make sure it reflects how you want to be seen by others. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your display name, look for Save or Done button to confirm the changes. Your new display name should now be visible to your friends and followers. By following these steps, you can easily update how you are represented on Spotify. Enjoy your new display name.